ladies and gentlemen, today is the day we put on our exhaust. So, what do we have here exactly? Well, I went ahead and got myself the Tanabe Medallion touring exhaust, or Tanabe, or whatever you want to say it. It's a beautiful exhaust. I got a really good deal on it. Let's see. $60mm piping, which, for those of you that aren't sure, it translates to about 2.3 inches all the way through with a 100mm tip, roughly about 3.5 inches. 92 decibels, so it'll give you all the performance of a big canister style, but a little more grown up and not crazy loud. This is the stock exhaust. Very tiny. Very, very tiny. So we're not going to do a super long video today. I mean, I'm not going to get into the great details of putting this exhaust in because there's a million of them out there on YouTube. I'm sure you've already seen it. What we're really going to focus on is before and after, look-wise and sound-wise. And yeah, let's get to it. Well, folks, there you have it. The old stalker. She is out. Big, ugly, heavy thing. So, in goes the Tanabe. And I guess next time, with the magic of the internet, it'll be in. And with the magic of the internet, presto, she's in. Let's see if we can look under here. Let's see. And I'll tell you what, she is looking good, everybody. Well, now you know there's only one thing left. Let's get her down on the ground and go for that first startup. So I guess it sounds pretty good. It's pretty much what I was going for. It's got a nice little rumble to it, but it's not obnoxiously loud. Doesn't sound like a straight pipe eBay $200 system. Please excuse the filth of my vehicle. We did just get 9 inches of snow yesterday. It's the last video I brought to you. You know, it was like 55 and sunny. So next is trying to figure out how I'm going to mount this up so I can take it for a ride and a point of view. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say it, but I'm not a professional YouTuber. I couldn't figure out a way to mount the camera up in the car. I don't have a GoPro or anything like that, so I really couldn't get any interior, driving shots. I really apologize for that. I'm really going to work on that in the future. You know, it is what it is. But if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a big old like if you can. And until next time, peace.